Hello, everyone. This is Srinivas Chakravarti. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, Tirupati. I've chosen cloud computing course for the walkthrough of IUCEE's Capstone project. Now, coming to this course, I'm handling this course for two sections, and now let me quickly walk through the Canvas. So here we can see the courses that are being published under my login, and here is the cloud computing course. So in the cloud computing course, as a home page, I have selected the syllabus page itself, where you can see the prerequisites and course description and all the 5 units that are being as part of the syllabus, and also the textbooks with the available links that is necessary for downloading the textbooks as well from the free open source libraries, and also the reference books along with the lesson plan, which has been very informative, like how many minutes are required for discussing each topic, and what is the textbook that is being followed. I mean to say from which textbook this topic will be studied. This is usually useful for the slow learners as well. And also this lesson plan includes the self-study topics beyond the syllabus things. Okay, so that's about the lesson plan. Coming on to the next part is the timetable, and if I go to the jump today thing, I can directly see the calendar being made here in the Canvas, which is being scheduled all the classes according to the timetable. And definitely it also gives when the due date of the discussions or quizzes or something like that. Okay, so that's how the calendars and the timetable, the classwork is being scheduled. So that's about the home part. Now coming on to the announcements, as of now we can see only one announcement being given to the students. This is I was asking students to use Vidyaniketan domain email address instead of using the other domain email address. We are just into the starting of the courses, and hence you don't see much of the announcements. Now moving on to the assignments, as of now there are no clear-cut assignment that has been given directly, but on the other hand, I had created a diagnostic test which is very much important to assess the students' prerequisite level of the course. And also one small graded discussion I had been created, so that it is helpful for the students to understand the basic level of virtualization. So my intention of creating this graded discussion was to check whether the student is available and he's ready for taking the online course, and whatever I have told in the first 2 or 3 classes, whether the students are being followed or not. So that's about this graded discussion. And coming on to the people, entire 130 students have been added into this particular list, and I've created a group called as 4th BTech CSE, and in this group again I've created subgroups, something called as A section and C section. These are the sections to which I go and handle the cloud computing courses. Coming onto the files, I've added all the old question papers and the PPTs what I will be discussing. Okay, so that's about the files. Now I will straight away go to the modules, where we can see that each unit of the course is being divided into each separate module, and few modules are being published and few are not yet published, like unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, you can see these are not published. And the files I have included here for each and every unit are in such a way that these files are relevant to that particular unit. Like you can see the class recording directly, and this is just a one sample of our recording. So that's about the video lectures and the classwork, the presentation what I was giving to the class, and also the question paper, which is related to, which has more questions related to this particular first unit. On the other hand, I have given a few old question papers accordingly as and when they are available, and also I have given few particular links for active learners to go beyond the syllabus and look for more detailed on certain particular concepts. That's about the modules. Coming on to the outcomes, that is course outcomes, we have 6 outcomes, and all the 6 are being defined over here. And each of this particular CO are directly mapped to the PO, that is program outcome, uh, which are defined by IUCEE, of course. And CO and PO are being mapped over here, and each of these COs will be assigned to that particular discussion or assignment or any graded entity. So for the graded discussion, I had assigned CO1 and CO2, what I had organized. On the other hand, as I told, for the quiz, there is no the rubric CO1 or CO2 is not needed. Why? Because I was just assessing whether the students are ready enough to take up that particular course or not. So coming on to the grades for this particular course, we can see that the students information is being populated, and how the graded discussion is being awarded, and how the diagnostic marks are being awarded. That's about the grades. Now moving on to the modules finished, attendance page is considered. We follow additional tool, external tool, something called as other corporate tool, and the same attendance we have marked here also for the benefit. And I have created few particular pages wherein we can see the classroom recordings have been listed over here, and also the lesson plan accordingly is being mentioned over here. So that's about the LMS walkthrough. On the other hand, we will see the feedback from the students.
Hi everyone, I'm Vinita. I would like to share the experience of online classes. I felt similar to that of physical classroom, especially this cloud computing class engaged by Srinivas is very interactive by conducting polls and discussions in Canvas Instructure, where we are going to have self-learning materials beyond our syllabus to enhance our knowledge, and assignments will also be given and graded where we are going to assess ourselves, and this is very helpful to us. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi everyone, I am Pujita. I would like to share my view on online classes. I think online classes are better than traditional classes as we can learn more in online classes than we do in traditional classes, especially where is coming to cloud computing class, which is engaged by Srinivas Chakravarti sir, is very effective and interactive. We are provided access to all kinds of materials like previous question papers, video lectures and PPTs, etc. And also the quizzes and assignments are being conducted are graded, which is useful for our self-assessment, and we can get our doubts clarified through a discussion forum and also can get clarified through our faculty whenever needed. Thank you, sir.
So this is the student feedback. And to end this video, I would like to quickly add upon my reflections. As of the course I've considered, I feel that online teaching is more flexible, and it definitely increases the student and facilitated interaction time, and it provides a varied ways of learning for different ways of learning for different kind of students, and it stays connected according to the convenience. So coming on to the cons, student may become lazy and he may become the prey for procrastination, and the student at times might be feeling like he is isolated. And of course, there are technology issues like network connectivity and other technological issues. And finally, I could say that the student feedback is very limited, and we cannot get the quick feedback. So